Okay, so I was going to just show you in a video real quick. So if you want to find an artist that you like some of their music, but you don't have it in an MP3 format to import into your Rush project, you can actually just find the song that you want to use on YouTube. You just click on it, and then you'd actually just copy the link to the song, and then you can actually look up anything to mp3.ccc. I'll put this in the content area for you to find. And then you can actually paste that YouTube link in here, and then you push download from URL. So make it an MP3 here. I just put it on 128K, but you can try these other larger file sizes, but I'm not sure if you need it. You can even try 96 if you need to, and then we can just do a convert file. You'll get a little bit of a progress thing going here. And then I think once that's done, you can actually click on this and it'll go into your downloads folder. So we can open up that downloads folder, and here's that MP3 file. And it'll open it up in iTunes. But you can export that into your Rush pretty easily. You know, you add media here, audio, and then we can actually go to, let's see, actually let's just go here, your media, and then maybe, actually I want to go to media browser, so downloads, and then we can find it in here. It might be easier to put it in the folder on your desktop because I have so many things in my downloads that it makes it difficult to find. But once you find your MP3 file, you can just click on it and bring it in. So that's kind of the process.